finally arrived at Hatta after almost 2 hours of drive from Dubai at 110 kilometers speed. We arrived. So I'm using an app, Waze, to find this place. Traveling alone, so yeah. There's that's the observatory 360. We're gonna explore this one. And in the back is the Heritage Village, somewhere out there. I'm a bit tired. I had like woke up at 4, left before 6 a.m. and this is the time we reach now, 8:03. Imagine. I've driven 2 hours. Wow. It shows already like 1 hour from Dubai. It's 122 kilometers, but I don't really know the real one. So yeah, I had build up pressure on my ears on the way, and you know, driving alone, it's quite boring, but the music and the view, wow, awesome. So yeah, let's explore Hatta. We're here for a day. We're gonna enjoy it for sure. Beautiful. Ooh, there's a farm over there. Beautiful. They have shops, facilities. So now everything is closed, probably because it's Ramadan time. Yeah. Oh, they have a center stage over there. Awesome. Let's explore the village. It's locked. Ooh. I like it. It's beautiful. Small houses. Beautiful. Look at the material. It's a palm leaf for the roofing. Look, the door. If I'm going inside, I have to duck. Taller than the door. Oh, that's a date palm. Ooh, this house is a little bit big. I love the landscaping. Awesome. Sitting areas. This jar is for water. Imagine having your coffee here or chai and a garden. Wow. That's a wheel, water wheel. So this is how the village looks like. They have a very nice community. Look what I found. An awesome farm. Wait, let me see what. Yay! I'm in Hatta. Look, they have a farm. Vegetables. Oh, okra. There. I wish we could go there. There's banana somewhere in the back. Lots of palm trees. One mango fruit. Lots of small houses. And look at the sun today. It's good to explore. We're in a shaded place. It's not that hot. The wind is very good. The breeze. Another climb. Look, we were there before. 360. Wow, the wind is strong. And look at this farm. Oh, they have some cows and goats. Imagine living here, having those backdrop. And that's the bus, by the way, that will take you from place to place. So it's a very good mode of transport. And there is no traffic here like the city. See, no one on the road. Well, it's Ramadan, so probably people are still sleeping. But imagine living in one of those. Beautiful. And there's another bus coming from Dubai. Oh, look, they have restaurants here. I feel like I'm in Philippines. Beautiful. Let's explore. Wow, that's a big tree. Oh, they have some fish in here. Wow. Let's look, let's look, let's look. Careful. Hello, fish. Hello, fishes. They're big. There's no white one. Yay! It's beautiful. So let's explore the falaj system. Look at them. Hey! They're under this mango tree. It is presently having lots of fruits. Wow! They are still small. Luckily. Or else it might be under attack of me. Oh. beautiful. There's lots of sitting areas every corner. So if you get tired of walking or you just want to be with nature, yeah, you can. So let's explore more. Let's see what we can find in this area. What's life without exploring, right? Wow, shaded place. Look how stiff is that fly.